If you're interested in power solutions that can give you efficiency, that can give you the option of scalability, have lesser environmental impact, and also reduce your operational costs, at the same time ensure continuity of business, then you've come to the right place. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Palash, and I welcome all of you to today's session. We are indeed privileged and honored to have all of you here. We sincerely thank you for spending your time with us, and I guarantee you that your time will be well spent. All of you are aware that today you're here because we are unveiling our latest product, and my God, what a product it is. But before we get there, I wanted to give you a quick glimpse of who we are, what do we do, and what drives us. All of you are aware that we are Numeric. We are the UPS specialists. Numeric started its journey way back in 1984, and then in 2012 it joined the Legrand Group. The question, therefore, is, who is Legrand? I'm certain all of you know a lot about Legrand, but let me take this opportunity to give you a little bit more about it. Legrand is a global brand. We are the specialists in electrical and digital building infrastructure. We are headquartered in a town called Limoges, which is in the center of France. But we are really global. We've got a footprint across 180 countries, 60 brands, 39,000 people. But the greatest strength is the strong leadership positions that we enjoy across the world. In fact, 69% of our revenue comes from leadership positions, meaning where we are either number one or number two. What is also not known very well is the fact that we are the fourth biggest UPS brand in the world. We've got many brands which are really specialists in the field of UPS, like Legrand, Biticino, Numeric, of course, Inform, which is a brand in Turkey, SMS, that's in Brazil, Bori in Italy, and so on and so forth. So we've got a real good, strong position in the world as far as UPS is concerned. Well, that was Legrand in the world. What about in India? We came to India in 1996 and over a period of time have built a really big operation. 80 offices, 8 manufacturing units, 3 R&D centers, of which one of them is for UPS. Strong leadership positions because we've got at least 10 product families where we are either number one or number two. And we've got strong brands, a strong bouquet of very, very effective brands. Legrand, of course Numeric, Indo-Asian, Adlec, Radita, and in recent times, 2 more brands have joined the family, which are Servotec and Starline. So we've seen what we are as far as Legrand in India is concerned. Now let me give you a little bit more insight about Numeric. As I already told you before, we've got 36 years of experience and knowledge in the UPS field. We are what we call ourselves as glocal, meaning we've got access to global expertise on one hand, and on the other hand, we've got deep knowledge and expertise about the Indian market. 28 years of market leadership in single phase and line interactive, 28 consecutive years of leadership. 24 years of experience and knowledge in 3-phase UPS and modular UPS. We've built a massive infrastructure over a period of time. We've got 2 manufacturing units, one of them in Chennai and the other one in Nasik. We've got 55 offices, 1 R&D center, 255 service centers. There are 1,800 Numericans who are working in India, of which 1,200 are in service. And through this infrastructure, we service across more than 1,000 cities in the country. So if that was the infrastructure, let's have a look about the product offer. So we've got a wide product offer, starting with line interactive, which goes up to 3 kVA. We've got single phase that goes up to 60 kVA. We've got 3-phase and modular that can go right up to 21 megawatts. So we've got a wide range from 600 VA to 21 megawatts. Plus, on top of that, of course, we've got servo stabilizers, we've got isolation transformers, inverters, etc. So really a wide range in terms of product. In the UPS industry, service is very important, if not as important as the product, and therefore we've got a wide range of service offer also. And through all of this, we've got a 24/7 support system in place in terms of either a 24/7 helpline or an online configurator, which is also a mobile-friendly configurator, so you can really go out there and figure out what is the exact solution you need in terms of the need that you have. We've got an online e-catalog so that you always don't have to depend on us. You can go out and have a look at all the details of the product at any point of time. We've got a real-time service center location, so you just punch in your PIN code number and you have all the service centers that service that particular area with all the details. So this was about our infrastructure, the product offer, the support system. The next question comes is that where do we do our business, in which segments? So Numeric has always been known as very, very strong in banks, and we are. We are undoubtedly the leader in the banking segment. But over a period of time, we've also built strong leadership positions in other segments. Take data centers as an example, take IT/ITES as an example, manufacturing, healthcare, infra, commercial, modern retail, education, residential, you name it, and we've got a strong, strong position there. Just an illustration of the fact how widespread we are in terms of our revenue. Today, 80% of our revenue comes from non-bank segments. So we remain strong in banks, but in the meantime, we've also built strong positions in the other segments. Thanks to all of you. Now the next question is, what is really a growth axis? What drives us? So we've got a 4-pillar in terms of our growth axis. One is innovation, and it is need-based innovation. It is not just innovation for the sake of innovating. What do I mean by need-based innovation is that we always do a very close study of what are the pain points of our customers and his installation, and then we innovate to service that particular need. The second one is smart solution, which means that on one hand we've got standard products, but we've got the capability to really design a product based on your exact need. Same platform, but we can customize. The third pillar is what we call as power to people. It means we have a strong belief that the more we give power to all the Numericans, we encourage them to take ownership, we will be better placed to service you. So this is something very important to us, which is power to people. And finally, it is what we call as preemptive partnering, which means that we are not just waiting for you to give us an inquiry and we respond to that. We want to really work with all of you to ensure that the solution that we are giving from our side is the most optimum from you. So those were our 4 pillars. But finally, at the end of the day, what really drives us? What is it that every day when we wake up in the morning, what is it that encourages us to come to the office and really give our 120%? Is to ensure the business continuity of our customers, the business continuity of all of you. This is what really drives us, and this is what gives us the new energy to power. But all of this is nice in theory, and all of this will be of no use until and unless all of you trust us. And what you see behind me is really the description of the trust, or the illustration of the trust. So you have all of these customers, all of you, plus many more who have been trusting Numeric over the last so many years and continue to trust us. So thank you very much for your trust. And this is, as I said, this is what drives us every day. Okay, so this was a quick glimpse of Legra in the world, Legra in India, and then Numeric. Now let's move on to the highlight of today's event. You know that we are here to launch a new product, but it's not just another product. This is a product that is stylish, that's really revolutionary, powerful, and it is completely performance oriented. In short, this is a UPS for sure, but that's far more than a UPS. But why believe me? Discover it yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, I give you the latest product from the Numeric family.
Welcome to my world. A world full of power and performance. A world infused with smartness and a dash of style. A world where sleekness can adapt to your surroundings. So, come and explore my world of convenience. My world of change. My world of innovation. I am Cure Mode.
Wow, that was some launch. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Cure Mode, the UPS that's far more than a UPS. Now let's discover this a little bit more. And I know the right guy to take you through this discovery, my colleague Kaushik, who has been working on this project for a long time. I'm sure he's extremely excited to take you through this journey. Can we have Kaushik, please?
Thank you, Palash. That was a fantastic unveil. So here it is, the all-new Cure Mode, winner of the prestigious IF Award for 2019, which again demonstrates our ability to combine design and technology in a single package. For many popular UPS brands, design and visual appeal is not important. For them, UPS is just a black box. But at Legrand, visual appeal and design is as important as its performance. And it's with a purpose. The light colors and the reflective materials what we have used reduces the environmental lighting and helps you save energy bills. Not just this, the elements that have gone into making the Cure Mode are all tested for reliability and performance without compromising the ease of use, maintenance and installation. One of our important objectives while designing the Cure Mode was to make it user friendly. Let me explain. Cure Mode features a 10-inch touchscreen color display, and the best part, it can rotate inwards by 180 degrees. So the touchscreen features interactive icons with easy navigation, so it is very easy to set it up. So engineers at the field can turn it inwards while configuring and setting up the UPS system. Each of the power module has got a LED status bar, and this LED status bar is unique to many UPS system in Legrand. This LED status bar has a traffic light type color coding, which gives visual presentation of the UPS operating status even from a distance. So let's assume that the UPS is installed in an environment where many of them will not have access to it. A user can know the operating status of the UPS system by viewing the LED status bar even from a distance. So Cure Mode features DPA, decentralized parallel architecture concept, in which all modules work as one but without interdependence. So this ensures there is no single point of failure in the whole system, greatly improving the availability. So even if one power module fails, so that power module alone gets isolated. The load gets equally distributed between the other power modules, ensuring there is no failure or total shutdown of the UPS system. So this setup ensures high availability and uptime at any given point of time. So now let's talk about the heart of Cure Mode, its power module. The power module in Cure Mode is like a mini supercomputer. Each power module has a dual core A9 processor for fast processing power and quick response. And we have used no connecting cables inside the power modules, so there are no loose connections and no short circuits. Each of the component have got dedicated boards, and this setup ensures very high MTBF. Each of the power module is just less than 25 kg and its height is just 2U. Engineer at the field can hot swap it in less than 15 minutes, ensuring very low MTTR. So CureMode offers excellent scalability and flexibility for a continuously growing infrastructure. So not only you can scale up power modules to reach 250 kilowatts in a single frame, but you can also parallel 4 power cabinets for 500 kilowatt. So you can add power as per your business demands. For instance, while you grow your employee strength from 1x to 5x, your investment will be just 3.5x, and that too in a phased manner. So there is no blocking of initial investment by oversizing the UPS. So CureMode has a wide range of communication interfaces, and it's positioned in the front for easy access. So using a network interface card, you can connect several environmental monitoring devices that allows you to monitor not just the UPS system but also its environment. And top of it, you also have a cold start feature as a standard option, and using this feature you can power up CureMode even when the mains power is unavailable. So that was all about the specs of CureMode. So now let me tell you how CureMode can help save over 10 million in energy bills. So as you see in the graph, CureMode power module delivers high efficiency of up to 96.8% even at 50% load. So many UPS system delivers less than 94% efficiency at these load levels. So CureMode offers over 3% more efficiency, and this substantially saves the energy bills. So how about 75% cost savings in real estate for a 500 kilowatt UPS system? So as you saw before, the power module of CureMode delivers 25 kilowatt in just 2U of rack size, and this greatly reduces the power cabinet size. So the CureMode footprint is just less than 1 meter square, and this helps to substantially reduce your investment on real estate. So this was all about technology, but at Numeric and Legrand, we have a very strong commitment to sustainable environment, and that reflects in our products. So CureMode is PEP certified. So product environmental profile provides credible and transparent information about a product's environmental impact during its complete life cycle. PEP also helps achieve green building ratings, which will further enhance your standing with your customer. So to sum it up, CureMode is extremely user friendly, offers best in-class reliability, scalability and flexibility with very high efficiency in a compact footprint. So all these things makes CureMode far more than an UPS. So with so much to offer, I think we have got an amazing product. Now let's have a chat with Palash.
It's indeed a fab product, and a fab product needed a fab presentation. Good job done, Kaushik.
Thank you.
After having gone through the product, I'm sure you must be thinking about which are the segments where this product can be used. So Kaushik, could you help us understand which are the segments where this product can go? Let's take example of IT/ITeS or office space. Does this product fit in that segment?
Yes, of course. CureMode can support a wide range of applications starting from CCTV to servers in any IT/ITeS or office environment. And you can scale up the power as your business grows, which helps to save initial investment and also your recurring investment. So it also has complete front access with an integrated bypass, and this helps for a quick setup and easy maintenance. So all these things makes CureMode the ideal choice for IT/ITeS and office environment.
Now let's take a segment which is far away from IT/ITeS. What about infra as an example?
So there are 3 important considerations for an infrastructure requirement. So ease of use, ease of installation and ease of maintenance. So CureMode checks in all these boxes, and CureMode offers N+1 modular redundancy, which provides high uptime and availability. And in a rare event of power module failure, the engineer can replace the power module in less than 15 minutes. Another important factor to consider, while the UPS system is in parallel configuration mode, there is a communication cable between the power cabinets for data exchange. Usually when there is a disconnection, the UPS fails to perform and support the load, but Cure mode will continue to perform and support the load. So Cure mode is an ideal choice for all infrastructure requirement.
That's good to hear. Now let's talk about data centers. As you're aware that in recent times we have started this Legrand Data Center Solutions initiative, wherein all the brands of Legrand, whether it be Legrand, Numeric, Rarita, Servotech, Starline, we've all come together for this Legrand Data Center Solutions initiative. Do you think this is a fit product for that initiative?
So the most important factor for data center application is high uptime and availability. So Cure mode with its DPA concept, decentralized parallel architecture, ensures there is no single point of failure, which again ensures high availability. And its high efficiency reduces energy cost, and its compact footprint helps to save real estate cost. So it also has various communication options, which helps to monitor and manage the UPS system and its environment. So it's a perfect fit for data center applications.
Well, that's good news, I'm sure, for many of the people in the audience today. You know, we have always been very strong in healthcare. This has been a strength for a long, long time. Do you think this product adds any weight in that segment?
So the critical factor for any healthcare application is very high reliability and easy serviceability. So Cure mode is highly reliable. So as I have explained before, there are no connection cables inside the power module, so no chance of short circuits. And we have also used dedicated boards for each of the component to ensure trouble-free operations. And we have used bus bar connections instead of cables, which again improves the reliability. And this setup also frees up a lot of space, and all the connections are easily accessible. So Cure mode, of course, is a perfect fit for all healthcare applications.
Thank you, Kaushik. That was interesting to know what are the points in terms of different segments. So what I understand from you is basically that this product can get into any segment, correct?
Yes.
So that's good to know, because this gives a wide field in terms of its application. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Cure mode for you. It's a product that aesthetically is very good looking, nothing like a UPS. It's got tremendous ease of use. It's highly reliable and has got high availability. It's flexible and scalable, has got a low TCO, and is very, very environmental friendly. In short, this product is stylish, it's revolutionary, it's all about performance, and it's very, very powerful. Thank you, all of you, once again for taking your time to be at this launch. We are very excited about this product. I hope you are too. We will be in touch with all of you in the coming days. I surely hope to be meeting all of you in the coming days, weeks, and months. At the end, I would like to say, stay safe, stay healthy, and let's make this 2021 a fabulous year for all of us. Thank you very much.